All right. Hood's on, fenders are on. Hood vents are riveted on, grill's on, whole front clip, headlights, everything's on. Everything turned out great. I know a lot of these pictures and videos I'm taking, the truck looks almost like a clay white. Trust me, it's not. These LED lights really play tricks on you in here. Just got done putting the door moldings and stuff back on. Everything's been freshly coated with trim paint, riveted back on. Brand new door handles, all four corners. Got the child lock on. That big seal is back on. Everything's been cleaned, blown out, painted where possible, riveted on, fresh rivets. Obviously a fresh windshield's put in. So just the front, I gotta get the mirrors painted, put those on, and then I can put the speakers and door pads back on. The rear, a little bit tricky with this secondary glass frame. This has to pretty much go in first, and then the rear glass will go in. So that's coming up next. Rear quarter panel glass, cleaned, fresh butyl tape, bolted back in. Rear hatch is on, tail lights are on. Just got done putting all these moldings back on. Brand new latch handle. So it's turning out really good. Just now I'm on to the back door glass and all the weather stripping for that. And getting all the bumpers, rock sliders, rub rails, fresh coat paint. It's starting to look really good. Shout out again to John and Johnny Parks, Brad Kumler, and Craig for painting. So without these guys' helps, it'd be a few more weeks in the hole here. So I'm actually about a week ahead of schedule. So super happy.